How's it going, everybody? This is BeatTheBush. Today I'm going to talk about spending more business expenses just so that you can reduce your profits and pay less taxes. Now, this is something I heard many people do, including freelancers, contractors, or small business owners. At the end of the year, sometimes you might have a lot of profits, and this is a really good problem to have, but when you have a lot of profits, you end up paying a lot of taxes. So a lot of people around the December timeframe would go, oh, we really need to increase our business expenses so that we can reduce our profits so that we can pay less money. Now, to me, this seems like a really dangerous thing to do because a lot of times I see people buying extravagant things just to lower profits. For example, there may be a very, very expensive machine, $10,000, $20,000, and then they go, okay, we should just buy this laser machine or something just to reduce our profits. There's a certain theory behind this because if you're spending money just to reduce profits and pay less taxes, you end up buying more stuff and the stuff is going to end up depreciating. So depending on the thing that you're trying to do, it really depends if you're going to need it anyway. Even as a business, you should need it anyway, and not because you have a certain chunk of money that you want to spend and you go, okay, we got $20,000 to spare, let's just blow it off on so-and-so stuff. Some companies might go around buying a very extravagant coffee machine thinking that, oh yeah, it's a business expense. It's business equipment, so that let's just, blow it off on that, buy extravagant chairs, buy coffee machines or something, and there you go. There'll be $20,000 spent just like that. Another idea here is if you are spending this business expense for future growth, perhaps it might be very expensive, but maybe you're reinvesting into your business so that, yes, you are reducing your profits, but the amount that you're putting in may increase your profits later on. And that might be it. If you're spending $10,000 on a coffee machine, maybe that is used to boost company morale. I do feel like there are certain things that would be extremely extravagant, and you have to take this on a case-by-case basis if that particular item is just, crazy, or there is a justifiable business expense and that you're going to get a return on it when you spend that on your business. Now, another item to consider is, were you going to buy this item anywhere? Were you just kind of eyeballing it and then go, you know what? I really need this equipment for my business, for your freelancing. Maybe you need a new laptop or something. In that case, yes, you may be able to buy it and then write it off within that year. However, if you have a target number that you want to spend, and then you go look at computers and then go, oh yeah, I have this amount to spend, that's the budget, why don't I blow it off on like a supercomputer or something? In that case, you might want to stop yourself and just kind of realize that you might be trying to spend extra money just to fill up that hole. Now, it is great if you're a freelancer, contractor, or if you own a small business, because essentially everything that you buy for your business is essentially kind of like 30% off, because after you get taxed on it and then you take this home personally yourself, if you want to buy this item yourself, then this is going to cost you more because it's after tax dollars. However, if you buy this item and you have a justifiable business expense and you use it 100% for your business, then it's kind of like everything you buy, it's kind of like 30% off of everything. If you buy a $1,000 laptop, it's really only costing you $700. Now, I want to take this to an extreme for a second here, because if you're trying to reduce your profits, for example, let's try to reduce our profits all the way down to zero. So at the end of the year, we go, oh, we have, $20,000 worth of profits. Okay, we want to reduce this profits all the way down to zero. So all of a sudden in December, we go, okay, let's buy a coffee machine, let's buy a laptop, let's buy another camera, everything filled up to $20,000, and then we end up having zero profits. We have to realize here, because you eventually need to keep some profits so that you can increase your bank account within your business, or you need to take home some personal pay so that you can pay for personal things. You cannot just, live your life completely on business expenses. So yes, it is great to buy things as a business expense and write it off. However, you have to realize that the more stuff that you buy for your business, the more stuff that's going to sit around and depreciate. Hence, whatever that you buy that you plan to write off and it's going to reduce your tax burden, it should somehow earn you more money later down the line, and not some random toy that you're going to lay around the office and not earn you money later on. So I hope this helps you run your business a little bit more smoothly and with more profits. Now I am going to open up some mail over here. I got a postcard over here and it says, hi, not New York, rather Kings Island Amusement Park, Cincinnati, Ohio. I appreciate your learning videos on YouTube. Thanks. Ansley Stowe on Facebook. Okay. This is a very brief postcard, but thank you for this New York Times Square postcard. Over here is from Karen in New Jersey. I need a opener thing. What could this be? I do like random mails like this. Oh my gosh, this is really long. Hey, thanks, it says. I don't know if I can read all of it. I have to read an excerpt. Dear BeatTheBush, thanks for all the inspiring videos. I'll need to go back and review many of them. Recently, the company I worked for almost 15 years laid me off. You know what? Oh, that makes me mad. Eliminated my position. It was a total shock. I was mostly done paying credit card debt. So this person lost her job, took 2 mortgages, sold, started selling things. It's some trying times. So this really pisses me off. Yeah. Having a job is not all that secure. It's so surprising that when it happens, they're very brutal about it. However, when you're their employee, they give you the sense of security. They try all they can, to make sure that everyone feels comfortable, that they don't feel like they're gonna get laid off soon. I don't know what to tell you. This is how it is for most jobs. So thanks for watching, everybody. I hope this video helps you in not trying to take more write-offs just so that you can reduce your profits, because in the end, you need your profits for your business. If you're interested in supporting this channel, check out my Audible link down in the video description below, where you can get a free audiobook. And if you're not interested in this audiobook, you can cancel it before the subscription expires. You can still keep this audiobook and help benefit this channel. I also have a Patreon over here if you're interested in getting my videos ahead of schedule. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel over here and click that bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you get new notification whenever I upload a brand new video. Thanks for watching.